Hi everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to my friend's lake house. Actually, it's where I'm at today. And today I have this is the Quntis LED screen lamp for laptop. So you see I have my laptop here and this is the screen for it. So let's give this thing a try and see how it works. I mean, right now it's daytime, so I don't have a problem seeing the keys, but sometimes at night, if it's dark and stuff, it's hard to see. This one here actually has a light up keyboard, so it's not too big of a problem for that. But if I'm using the Windows laptop or one that doesn't, it would be nice to have. So it comes with, so there's the box. You see it's empty now. Got it there. And here's the instructions for it. And lots of instructions. And then it comes with this nice little velvety kind of pouch. You can kind of see it there. And let's open it up and see how this looks. And this is how it comes. And so it's got this little clip here. See right there? Clip, and it's got the light right in there. You can see the little LEDs there. It's got the little buttons for it, I guess for the brightness and different settings. And it's got the USB plug. So let's give this thing a try. Let's hook it up here. It actually has, you can see like here, I'm gonna show you here. See, it's got the a little notch. I don't know if you can see right there. It's got a little notch so that it'll go around the camera. So if I line it up with the camera, it's not gonna cover it up. And let's plug this puppy in. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to plug it in right now. I need a USB. And right now, this laptop only is USB-C. So let me see if there's an outlet over here. Okay, there we go. So I'm plugged in now, and you can kind of see it's got the light right there, and it's lighting up the keyboard. It's pretty nice because it doesn't light up the screen, it just lights up the keyboard. So let's see what the different buttons do on it. Where was the wire? Let me try to, I didn't open up the thing, but okay, so here we go. So we have different brightness on it. So here we go. I'm doing it all super bright now. Now it's super bright. Lights up the keyboard for sure. You can kind of see there. And then we can dim it. And what does this button do? Oh, it changes some color, so it gets a little bit of a yellowy tinge or a blue tinge, or just a super bright white. And then on and off. Pretty cool. I like this, and it totally is unobtrusive. It's super duper light. Wow, if I shine it in my eyes, it's bright. But this will be nice, so I could just totally work and see the computer, and it's awesome, and it's super light and easy to do. I just need to get my adapter so I can use because this here is a MacBook Pro, it only has the USB-C. I wish it had the USB-C connector, but it doesn't. It has the USB one. So let me unplug it here. I'll show you. So that's the USB, and thankfully I had one of these little things here. I also have like battery packs and stuff I can plug it into, so it's really not that big of a deal. And I do have the converter, so I just don't have it with me right now. So I like it. So thumbs up from me. It's the Quntis LED screen lamp for a laptop is what they call it. And I put a link to it in the description. And be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be back with some other reviews of stuff soon. Bye.